Hello and welcome to this unboxing video of the new OPN-2500. It is basically the successor to our previous OPN-2001 and OPN-2006 models, with a lower power consumption and exciting new features like Bluetooth Low Energy and a USB-C port. In this video, I will take you through the contents of the box and a look at the key features of this new Opticon scanner. When you ordered the OPN-2500, you will receive this box, and if you open it up, the first thing you will see is the OPN-2500 itself. Let's remove it from the box. If we remove the inlay from the box, you will see a USB-C charging and data cable with a USB-C port on one end for in the scanner and a USB-A port for connection to a laptop, computer, Mac or other device, or of course to a charger to charge the unit. A supplied neck strap that allows you to use the scanner without fear of accidentally dropping it. And finally, there are two guides with it. The first is the quick start guide with a couple of test barcodes to see if you can scan everything. And on the back end there is a link to OptiConnect. About that more in a bit. And settings modes to switch the unit quickly from one mode to the other. And finally, the sheet with the safety and regulatory information. Now that we have unboxed the OPN-2500, let's take a look at its key features. At the top of the unit is the scan engine. This is a 1D laser scanner with a speed of 100 scans per second, and it has improved scanning for curved, wide, poorly printed and damaged barcodes. At the top of the unit there are two buttons. There is the small function key, which allows it to be set in Bluetooth connection mode or other programmable functions, and the scan button that allows you to scan barcodes. And around the barcode key, scan key, is now an LED that provides you with feedback. If you then take a look at the side of the unit, here is the USB-C port that can be used for data transfer or for charging. And here at the bottom of the device are two divots where you can attach the strap. And you can detach the top section by squeezing on the sides and pulling it loose. And to connect this to your OPN-2500, you simply feed the wire through the divots, then feed the plug through, secure it, and then you can reattach it to the lanyard. You can use it hanging around your neck, and you can scan barcodes without fear of accidentally dropping. It comes with a bit of charge in the battery already, but you can also take the supplied USB-C cable, plug it into the device, plug the other end into a charger, and the unit will start charging. The LED around the scan key will start showing red, and when it is fully charged, the LED will change color to green. Now that we've taken a look at the external features, let's take a look at the internal features. In addition to the LED for feedback, there's also a buzzer which gives sound feedback whenever you scan a barcode, if it couldn't scan, if there's a Bluetooth connection problem. The Bluetooth in this device is Bluetooth Low Energy, and in addition to the low energy Bluetooth, there is also new hardware in the device, and in combination with the 250 milliamp hours battery, it means that you can keep scanning while connected with Bluetooth for days and scan over 10,000 barcodes before you need to recharge. The unit comes with a real-time clock. With this clock you can add extra information to your barcodes. For instance, when it was scanned, so you can have more accurate tracking. And it also has flash memory on board, 1 megabyte, so that when it loses its Bluetooth connection or it is currently not connected with a USB cable, it can store thousands of barcodes on its internal memory chip, and once the connection is re-established, it can export them again for you. And even in the rare case that you lose your battery charge at that moment, the flash memory is non-volatile and your barcodes will remain intact. You can use the scanner in several modes. The first is the Bluetooth Low Energy mode, where you can use it as a Bluetooth serial device or a Bluetooth keyboard. Or you can connect it to our new OptiConnect app. For more information on the OptiConnect app, please check your website or watch the video about OptiConnect on our YouTube channel. Like all of our Opticon companion scanners, you can also use it with USB modes, 6 in total. But unlike our previous companion scanners, all 6 modes are available in the same application, and you don't have to load any new applications on the unit to be able to use them. Simply switch between them with the configuration barcodes that you can find in the user manual or by using opticonfigure.opticon.com. Now let's take a quick look at the 6 different USB modes so you can choose which one is the best for your needs. First, there's the OPN companion application. This allows it to act like the OPN-2001 and all other scanners after it. So if you have an existing application that uses the OPN companion app, you can simply use this as a drop-in replacement. You can also use this as a USB mass storage device. With its internal flash memory, it can store all of the barcodes that you scanned on the disk, plug the USB cable into a laptop, Mac or PC, and it will appear as a flash drive, and all of these scanned barcodes are available in a CSV file on the disk. For the formatting options, refer to the user manual. Talking about OptiConnect, if you have a host device that does not offer Bluetooth Low Energy, you can also use the USB port to connect it to the device that hosts OptiConnect. OptiConnect allows you to set up all of the options of the scanner, like the color of the LED, the volume of the buzzer, and much more. Please check in the description for our video about OptiConnect. It also offers you 2 USB serial drivers at the same time. The first one is USB VCP. That is the backwards compatible option, so if you are already using one of our scanners, you can use this immediately. And you have the USB CDC driver, which is a platform independent one if you want to use it on different platforms than Windows. Finally, there is the OSICOM 32 application. If you have created applications in the past that use OSICOM to retrieve the barcode data from the unit, this unit also supports it over the USB port. And that is a quick look at the features and contents of the packaging. If you want more information about the OPN-2000 please check on our website or contact your local sales representative. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.